What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Marlon, and today we are at the park. We're gonna have a eat out with our family. And before we start this video, I wanna say we're sorry that we haven't been vlogging for 2 weeks because we've been busy. But we're back with another lit a vlog. So don't forget to smash that like button and break that subscribe button, and also turn on your post notification bell. Alright guys, we're about to play. We're about to play 21 Buzz Buzz. 21 is a game that we always like to play. So guys, stay tuned. It's about to comment down below who's gonna win this. It's will the answer. EY, Mars, Elston. Comment down those names. Who do you think is gonna win 21? Alright. What's up, guys? It's called Sugar Rush. Sugar Rush right here. And right here. Want it? Want it? Here we go. Kyle, how about this?
I need some Skittles. I need to be like Marshawn Lynch. Excuse me.
Want one?
Nah, bro. I need some Skittles.
I need some Skittles too. I'm actually Marshawn Lynch.
Here.
Where'd you get all the candy from?
I don't think it's mine.
I made it. I made it, bro. I made it.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's not good to.
Just eat one. Smash that like button. Because we're risking. We're playing basketball on the hot, sunny day. Yeah, let's go.
Wow. Come and take that.
Yeah, bro.
Double.
Yeah, say hi. Hi, my name is Kamani. I'm his cousin. What? Alright, now we're gonna see you guys in a little bit. We are about to go. We'll see you guys later. We're just gonna finish this game up and go eat. So see you guys in a little bit. Peace. This is our table. These are the people. Our cousin just came. Come on.
Hi, Carter.
Carter. My dad is barbecuing. Dad, you got anything to say?
What's up, M3E squad? Welcome back to another very, I don't know, maybe productive vlog. Hopefully, it's been a while. Thanks for tuning in today. Today, it's one of those days where you just kick back, relax, and enjoy the sun, even though we're in the shade. Yeah, but as usual, I'm the chef. I cook for the whole family, the whole antics. But right in here, same usual meal of the day. We got the short ribs, we got the gizzards, we got the hods, and we got we got the one hot dog. But yeah, we'll maybe Later on, when everything is ready and cooked, maybe we'll have a little bit of mukbang like this. We just name it. Oh man, that stuff is good. All right, catch you guys later.
Alright. This is our picnic place, and
No,
we'll see you guys in a little bit.
you videotaping the cooking section? Okay. Yeah. It's almost ready. Yep. Oh, looks like that one is ready. Yeah. Oh, looks like this one is really from too black. All right. Okay, thank you. Okay. Come back later, man. I'm still cooking.
Hey, got anything to say? This dude's on a football team, so of course,
why
yes.
I haven't been in you guys' videos because
Yep.
I've been busy with football.
And we're out. Come on, you got anything to say?
Subscribe.
Subscribe? What's subscribe? Austin, how about you?
Subscribe it. Make sure you subscribe.
Hey, what's up, bro?
And like it. And comment it down below.
And turn on your post notification bell.
I'm gonna go do pull-ups.
Pulley ups. Janice! Janice!
Turn the mukbang. Okay, here. Look. Korean style. Don't let it too close to my food, man. See? Onion. Huh? Some garlic. Some, I'm sorry. Cilantro. Wrap them up. Thanks for reaching out. A little bit of vegetable. Yeah, it shouldn't be like that. A little bit of heart. Then the mukbang. We all have to go through that. What is it's eat again. Then why is he still with him? Euro kuha mo, bigyan ko siya right thing. Damit ka, baga mo ako every. Usi for about nigiri pork belly. This is just good food. Hey, I don't want to pee it. Drizzle up the Johnny. Go on, Dave. Bring your Dave over there.
Huh?
Yeah. No rice. And then some polo drink, sparkling water. Kimchi. I could be a sriracha. No fitting it. Really? Turn the body hook. Oh, wait. You gotta find the right piece. Like that. this. Put that thing over there. A little bit of meat. Don't show me. Once again, the onion. Once again, the garlic. And then cilantro. Kimchi. Fold them up. Oh, well, get out of the way. Gizzard. And then this.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna take you to where the kids are so I can hand off the camera to the YouTuber because he left it behind. All right, so in order to get over there, we have to go through here. So Chuukese of us to just break the law. Oh, here he is. I just came to hand off your camera. What happened? So where are we going now?
Going to the grave.
You out of breath?
No, I'm out of
Shape.
hair. Oh, chin. I think we're gonna play hide and go seek. So who's gonna count first? Me. Okay, so you have the camera. Okay. So I'm gonna count to 100. No, 1 minute. He's gonna count to 1 minute, and then he has to find me. Elsner, by the way. So yeah. Okay. Go to the basketball. Hi, Carter. Go to the basketball court. Take a picture with us. Changing plans. We're going to the basketball court. Okay, boy. Ready, set. I'm gonna go on. Hi, Billy. Hey. Wait. He can't go without me.
What's up, dude?
Guys? It's your boy Martin, aka Spider-Man.
Just kidding, it's me.
We are climbing the tree right now, and I'm really out of breath. So stay tuned, guys, because later on in August we're gonna go to a race in Oregon. So I gotta. No, it's out of this, but every single time there's a lot of food. So guys, stay tuned. So maybe it's starting tomorrow. I start running, playing basketball so I can lose weight, and so yeah, we're just climbing the tree.
Show the camera how it looks from
Here.
up
All right. Can I say hi? Hi, I'm
This is what it looks like up here. I'm like barely like 2 inches and I'm out of bed. Look at these.
My name is Kamani.
Okay, look what I just put my finger on. Look, move, move, move.
No, wait. I can jump off.
So, I was climbing, right? And I put my finger on something disgusting.
What? Sap?
The bird poop.
I'm like,
Right here. Look at that.
here, give me that.
The white little thing.
Pigeon poop.
It was pigeon poop. And I got it in my bank.
Hi guys. How you gonna get out? Jump off.
No, I'm gonna
Bless
go
you.
the same
Bless
way
you.
I
Thanks,
went
guys.
down.
Yeah, that's you.
You know what that train said? To smash that like
I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey. Ooh,
and subscribe. And thank you for all those 1,191
I don't know.
subscribers.
Yeah, thank you. We're done.
And see you
I'm to the
guys.
left.
I don't know.
And see you guys. I'm gonna jump off. Okay?
See you guys in a little bit.
Yeah.
But I don't know when they left.
Can we play hide and go seek with it?
Yeah, if you guys want.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. We're gonna play.
Alright, so let's go. We're going to Kamani and the Mark counting. And Kamani and March are counting. And it's gonna be me. And that's Baby. So we're going to the riding spot. Look, this is about to be the best.
Guys, we're about to go find the boys because they're hiding, right?
Yeah.
They're hiding? Alright, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and
I don't know if it's
alright, let's go
let's go
find
back to
them.
our spot.
Where they at?
This is our spider.
First.
Alright, let's go check out the bark.
Go down there.
Let's go
hurry.
check out the bark. Where?
Come up here.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. They're not that stupid.
Okay, if they come
Alright,
here,
dude.
let's go down there.
And then is it hide and go seek tag?
No,
Exactly.
if we see them coming over here.
No. I can see the whole thing.
Yeah, I don't see them here.
Go check over there. Go check over there too. Yeah, let's go to the rocks. Oh, I see them.
Oh yeah, I see them there all the way. Let's zoom in.
Let me go run.
Hold on.
back.
You can't be shaky. They're at the basketball court now.
Okay, I'm gonna go run. Tell them I'm gonna go run.
Yeah, go run.
I'm gonna go run.
Go chase them. Whoa, flash right there. They're back there. Ah,
Just found both of them.
nice.
I just did.
Tag. Chase them, come on in.
I didn't know if we had to take tag.
Tag them. Hi.
What's up, guys?
Austin and
I'm really tired. Oh my gosh, where's the lighting?
Austin and Ite.
I'm black, bro. Oh, what's up, guys? I've been running for my life. They're really fast. Oh, I'm tired. Well, I don't know if we're gonna play another hide and go seek, but that was tiring. You see the sweat, I think you can. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked this. Sorry if it was short. And
Look at Austin over there.
the young baller. Don't forget to smash that like button, and also thank you for all those supporters out there. We love you guys, and see you guys in a little bit in the next banger. See you guys. In the next banger. Cut. Alright guys, this is the end of the tiring sunny video. I hope you liked it, and sorry. Oh my gosh, cut.
Still running.
Okay. Alright guys, this is the end of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new banger. And they're just wrapping up the party up over there. Just show them over there, they're cleaning up, and these people are not even tired. I'm like out of breath. I don't know how. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.